Well, that there is a good-looking po' boy. Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another taste testing. Try to get you just right there. I am at Surf's Up, Mount Prospect, Illinois, Randhurst Village, behind the Costco. They're building a nice little outdoor mall here. So, good thing I didn't order a side, because I didn't know this thing came with fries, and there's a ton of fries. So, Surf's Up advertises themselves as Louisiana style fish and lobster and chicken and all that. They're friendly. I'll give them that. I don't know if I can even pick this thing up. There's a lot in here. Let's taste the fish first. It's catfish. Farm catfish. But catfish. It's nicely seasoned, nicely cooked. Flaky. It's not a giant piece, but it's big enough. The problem is there's just so much darn red ring of death, as Dame Drops would say. Crispy water. There's just so much in here. You can't get a hold on it. So I'll eat some of the ingredients off of it. It's good. It's a small piece of fish for the price. And I could have gotten it fried, but I like blackened baked. I'd like to try their shrimp po' boy, but I'm trying to watch my the gout, and fish isn't nearly as bad as shrimp. So the fries are good. The catfish is good. Just need to make it so you can actually pick up the sandwich and hold it without everything just exploding everywhere. Good brioche bun, toasted. It's a thumbs up. I'm gonna enjoy stuffing my face with this, and then probably feeding half the fries or more to the birds. Anyway, that's it. It's a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.